Hey there, I recently joined the Fat Quarter Shop's Fat Quarter monthly subscription box because I would like to have some more fat quarters. I want to build my stash. I like solids. They have this plan that's solid based. It felt good. So I did it. I have 2 months, September 2025 and October 2025, that I have not opened yet. So I thought maybe we'll do them together and you can get my first impressions and then see if this is something you might be interested in. But I'm a solids girly. I don't have a huge stash. And so this will be nice. And you probably all know by now, I love making the one-off quilt block, and this would be very handy. So I've tried to open these packages so I don't have to show my home address off to everybody. And so let's see. All right. Ooh, I already like this. Let me flip this around and see if I can see it on the camera with you. So this does say Fat Quarter Shop or Solid Fat Quarter Club, September 2025 Sunrise. And what I love about this is it has the names of all the fabrics right on here. How cool. I'll take a picture of this so I can post it in the video so you can see what colors came. Maybe I'll do it after I take it out of the box. But all right, let's open this sucker up and take a look. So this is the Sunrise Solids. Interesting. This is definitely my first impressions, not my favorite set of colors, but, and we can see, so how many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let me pause the video while I go and look and see how much I paid for this. Okay, so you get 12 fat quarters for about $30 a month. And I just had to go to the website and look it up. And they have a bunch of other monthly subscriptions. So if this isn't your style, they might have others if that's something that interests you. Make sure you need it. Don't just go buy fabric to buy it. But, if you need to build your stash. So I do like, did I count 12 earlier? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, yes. So we're seeing all the colors here. This is nice. This is not my normal color palette. I don't love it, but I would never buy this stuff. So this is a great stash builder for the future. So, all right, let's take a look at the second one. And I believe you also get a sneak peek. You know me, I don't pay attention, but I think before I signed up for this, I had an idea of what colors I'd be getting, but my memory is shot. And so I did just check the website, and you do get an idea of what the colorways will be before you sign up. So it says September 2025 is Sunrise, October is Haunted, November is Harvest, and December 2025 is Merry. So you have an idea of what's coming. All right, let's take a look at October 2025, which apparently is going to be Haunted. Ooh, I like this one. So this is the next one, which is October, which is Haunted. And I didn't mention in the last one that they have a pattern suggestion with a mock-up. I can see now that the September and the October mock-ups are exactly the same. Probably would be cool if they gave you a different quilt pattern each month for ideas, but I understand that that's a lot of work, but that's still pretty cool. And so this one has let's see. Oh, these are Pure Elements by Art Gallery Fabrics. So that's cool. It's a different brand. What did we have? We had Confetti Cottons last month and Pure Elements by Art Gallery. I like that idea because I would like to try out different solids and see how I feel about them. Let's open this sucker. Make sure we can see all 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Similar. So this is me giving my honest opinions, right? From month to month, I've got a similar set of colors in the bottom row, right? We've got these dark blacks and grays. I didn't buy these with the intent that I would use take 12 fat quarters and make a quilt. So if that's what you're looking for is hey, I'm going to buy 12 fat quarters, I'm going to use them in a quilt, that would be great. As a stash builder, this is I don't know, again, this is only my 2 months, right? I picked 2 months of the year. I'm going to continue with the subscription because I do love these colors. Those other ones from the previous month. This is the prior month. I would never buy. I love these colors here. But just, I guess probably not I don't know what I was expecting, but having those grays next to each other month after month, that similar color scheme isn't my favorite. But we'll try another month and see what it's like. Are you part of any subscription boxes? This is the only one I'm a part of. right now, and I've only had 2 months. I'm curious if you think they're worthwhile, which ones you like. Tell me all the things, okay? All right. Thanks for this, short and sweet video, but I will put a link down in the description below. It'll be an affiliate link. So if you decide to sign up for it, I might get a little commission. I don't know. But, if it's interesting and you can use it, go for it. Other than that, I will catch you in the next video and take care.